Oh, I'll remember to turn off my indicator. Now I just got to go and stop and get my money out. I mean, he had 50p to take with me. Oh, fella's full of jungle juice now. Just reset her trips to 0 and 0. Here I have another motorcyclist. Got touring gear on his bike. And now the wind will be coming across the left at me. Go on, Bella, around that lovely corner. Cyclist, get a licence. I'm just finding that it's still so hilarious. The Suzuki retreated from Bella there. My bloody mirror's moved again. I'm going to call it the cheap Indian mirror that wants to move around all the time. Right, let's go get some money to take with me on my lovely little adventure. Right, next bit of the video, bye bye. Right, oh dear, I don't seem to have any camping money then. The cash machine was out of order. I'll have to get it out tomorrow. Mind you, we have got what we needed, so we've got Bella Bikes petrol. So I've got 15 litres in my tank, full up. And plus another 5 litres sitting in my jerry can. Be nothing worse getting 3/4 of the way there, would it, eh? Imagine it, getting 3/4 of the way there and braking and not having no petrol. Oh my god. Stuck out there on the side of the road for hours on end, or trying to hitchhike to somewhere to get a petrol. I don't think I could. No. It's not even worth thinking about. I'll take some of that jungle juice with me. What are you going to do? Oh, you're going to come out of us. Well, I don't know what was going on there, but I was stopping. The guy in the red car nearly hit the black car. I was stopping at that point. I was not getting very involved in that fight. Stop, wait a second, let everybody sort themselves out without everything going crunch. Bit disappointed that I couldn't get my holiday money out at the cash machine because it had run out of cash itself. But I've got to go back into Thetford tomorrow, and I'll get here then. I go home and then I'll have a nice cup of coffee and a cigarette. Well, I'll roll up because I don't smoke cigarettes. Them things are really bad for you. I'd rather smoke a roll up, but less chemicals in it. You are very, oh my god, you just, what are you doing? Oh, he's got the Triumph out. There was a Triumph Bonneville 750. Next